In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get API keys on Etoro. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to etoro.com and then log into your account. Now from here you'll need to head over to the left hand corner and go over to the menu, and from here you'll need to scroll down until you see the settings page right here. Once from here you'll simply need to click on the settings page, and from here you'll need to go over to trading, modify your core trading experience. From here you'll need to click on that, and once from here you'll need to go over to this page right here where you'll be able to see API key management. Once from here you'll simply be able to click on this green icon called create your API key. Once from here you'll simply need to click on it like so. From here you can name your API key, so let's just call it Mike, and here you can add the environment where you'll either be able to choose the real live action trading experience or the demo accounts. Once from here you'll need to click on one of these, and you'll need to access permission where you can choose between read access or write access, and you'll also be able to add in IP allowance listing and expiration date. Once from here you'll simply need to click create key, and once from here you'll need to add in a verification required that it will send you an SMS from the specific phone number that you have used to create your account, like so, and from here you'll simply need to click continue. Now from here you'll be able to see a private key that you can copy to your clipboard, or you can see the public key down here that you can either view and copy to your clipboard. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!